Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. We're so glad you're here with us today.
Yes, today we have a really fun topic, something everyone can enjoy.
That's right. We're going to share real-life stories and conversations.
Exactly. Simple, natural English you can actually use every day.
And we'll show you how English works in real situations, not just in books.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy our little chat today.
But first, a quick reminder to subscribe and share the channel with your friends.
Yes, it helps us keep creating fun English conversations for you.
All right. Are you ready for today's story?
Let's get started. Adam, have you noticed how people get excited when they realize they're improving their English?
Oh, yes, that sparkle in their eyes. It's like everything clicks suddenly.
Exactly. I love that moment. It shows learning can be fun, not stressful.
True. Most learners just need gentle guidance, not pressure.
Right. A conversation teaches more than 100 pages of grammar theory.
Speaking of conversation, I think today's topic is perfect for learners.
Yes, it's simple, practical, and useful right away.
And the best part? No perfect grammar needed to follow.
Curiosity is enough. Everything else comes naturally.
So, shall we start our little chat?
Definitely. Step by step, calm and fun.
Let's imagine it's Saturday. You have plans?
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandmother. I thought about it yesterday.
Perfect. You used going to for a planned action.
Exactly. I also need to pick up some groceries.
That's another plan. I am going to buy vegetables later.
Right. And you? What's your Saturday plan, Adam?
I think I'll decide while it happens. Maybe I'll play tennis or watch a movie.
See the difference? You're using will for spontaneous choices.
Oh, yes. Quick decisions are will. Plans are going to.
You got it? And promises can also use will.
Like, I will help you with your homework?
Exactly. Or I'll call you later. Short, easy, and polite.
So, plans use going to. Quick choices and promises use will.
Perfect. And native speakers often say gonna instead of going to.
Yes. Informal, but very common. Like, I'm gonna play tennis.
Informal speech is natural, but in emails, stick to going to.
Noted. Gonna only with friends. Casual situations.
Right. Now, let's talk about holidays. Where are you going this summer?
I'm going to Italy. I decided last week.
Fantastic. Why Italy?
The food, the history, everything. I'm going to eat pasta, pizza, and gelato.
And I suppose you'll visit Rome, Florence, Venice?
All three. It's a dream trip.
Beautiful plan. And you're using going to because it's already decided.
Exactly. And you, any holiday plans?
I'm going to stay home, read books, and relax. Simple and peaceful.
That counts as a plan. Relaxation is important too.
Absolutely. But imagine we're in Italy. in a restaurant.
Okay, I see it.
The waiter asks what we want. I decide now.
Then you use will.
Right. I will have the spaghetti.
Exactly. Present decision, will. Not going to, because it's not pre-planned.
And contractions are common. I'll have the salad.
Soft and fast. Perfect for real conversations.
Now, let's look at time markers. Tomorrow, next week, next month, tonight.
They tell listeners when an action happens. Essential for clarity.
Yes, I am going to the gym next week. Shows a clear plan.
On Monday, on Sunday, or a specific date. Same rule.
Right. I am going to have a party on July 4th.
And if I say, I will bring the cake, it's a promise.
Exactly. Simple and logical. Grammar becomes fun, like a game.
I have a question. Sometimes I hear present tense for the future.
Ah, present continuous. Like, I am meeting my friend at 5 p.m.
So, it's fixed, scheduled plans.
Yes, very definite. You have tickets, reservations, or appointments.
For example,
I am flying to New York on Friday, 100% certain.
got it. So, for beginners, going to is safe. Will is spontaneous.
And advanced speakers can use present continuous for fixed arrangements.
I am having dinner with my boss tonight. Sounds professional.
Or, I am eating pizza alone tonight. Sounds fun and casual.
Talking about plans makes me feel excited.
Me too. It's nice to look forward to something.
What about your 5-year plan?
I am going to write a book.
Really? That's amazing!
A book about learning English. That's my dream.
And you're using going to for a life plan. Perfect.
Yes, I think about it a lot.
And I will buy the first copy.
Thank you. That's a promise. You're using will, naturally.
Talking about the future isn't scary at all.
Just use simple logic, plan, or decision.
Going to for pre-planned, will for instant choice or promise.
And present continuous for fixed arrangements. Easy.
Exactly. Let's practice a few more examples.
Sure. What about dinner tonight?
I'll cook pasta.
I'm going to order a pizza.
Great. Time markers.
Tonight.
Perfect. And if I see your order now and join, I'll have pizza too.
See? Will for present decisions.
This is really fun.
Real-life examples make learning stick.
Agreed. Sharing stories helps remember words naturally.
Exactly. Adam, remember our holiday plans? Let's practice more examples.
Sure. What about next weekend?
I am going to visit my cousin in the countryside.
Perfect. And I think I will decide what to do tomorrow morning.
Good. Spontaneous choices, will. Pre-planned, going to.
Right. And if I have a fixed train ticket for Saturday, I'm flying to Paris.
Then you can say, I am flying to Paris on Saturday. Present continuous, fixed plan.
Ah, I see. Very clear.
Now, what about promises?
I will help you with your English exercises tonight.
Thank you. That's a nice promise.
And if I decide right now to join you for practice, I'll do it immediately.
Exactly. Quick decisions are will.
Okay, let's talk about casual speech.
Sure, informal contractions are everywhere.
Like I'll instead of I will.
Or I'm gonna instead of I am going to.
I'm gonna watch a movie tonight. Sounds natural.
But never use gonna in emails or formal writing.
Noted. Only friends. Informal conversations.
Now, time markers again. Essential for clarity.
Tomorrow, next week, tonight, in 10 minutes, soon.
Yes. For example, I am going to meet my friend tomorrow. Clear plan.
And I will help you soon is a promise.
Exactly. Context makes the meaning obvious.
Let's do some fun examples.
Great. I am going to bake a cake this evening.
Nice. I will taste it when it's ready.
And if I decide to decorate it differently right now, I'll change the icing.
Perfect. Real-life examples help learners remember better.
Absolutely. Stories stick in the memory more than lists of words.
I have another question. Some people use the present simple for the future.
That's for schedules, like the train leaves at 7 p.m.
Right. Timetables, fixed events, present simple works.
Exactly. The movie starts at 8 p.m. Very common in schedules.
So many ways to talk about the future. Going to, will, present continuous, present simple.
Yes, and each has its own logic. Once you know it, it's easy.
Let's make it fun. What are you going to do after our chat?
I am going to relax and read a book.
Nice. I think I'll play some tennis.
And maybe eat pizza afterward?
Definitely. I'll decide what topping when I order.
See? Will for instant choice.
Exactly. And if I planned it yesterday, I'd say, I am going to eat pizza.
Clear. And what about long-term dreams?
In 5 years, I am going to start my own English school.
That's a big plan.
Yes, and I'll invite you to teach with me.
Thank you. That's a promise.
Promises always use will.
Now, let's add some humor.
Okay. Yesterday, I decided to help my neighbor.
Oh? What happened?
I'll mow his lawn. Quick decision.
And did you?
Yes, but I got stuck in the mud. I'll never forget that.
That's funny. Stories make learning memorable.
Exactly. And learners love funny examples.
True. Let's continue. What's your plan for tomorrow?
I am going to meet a friend for coffee.
Good. And if you decide to visit a bookstore on the way?
I'll go if I have time.
Perfect use of will for spontaneous choice.
I see. Pre-planned versus spontaneous is key.
Exactly. And context shows the difference.
Now, let's imagine a surprise.
Okay?
Your birthday is tomorrow. What are you going to do?
I am going to relax at home.
And I'll secretly prepare a small gift.
Wow! Instant decision. Will.
Right! It's fun to mix going to and will.
Learners need these examples. Stories make grammar real.
Agreed. Now, what about mistakes?
Common mistake, using will for pre-planned events. Like, I will visit my mother tomorrow instead of I am going to visit my mother tomorrow.
Correct. Pre-planned, always going to.
And some confuse I will call you with I'm gonna call you.
Right. Gonna is informal. Will is formal promise.
Practice is the key. Stories, not lists.
Exactly. Real conversations help learners remember naturally.
I love teaching this way.
Me too. Humor, stories, real-life plans.
And learners feel motivated.
Yes, they see grammar in action.
Let's finish with a challenge.
Okay. Imagine tomorrow. You have free time.
I am going to go hiking in the park.
And if it rains?
I'll watch a movie instead.
Perfect. Pre-planned and instant decision in one example.
Exactly. That's natural English.
Learners see the logic. Going to for planned, will for quick choices, and present continuous for fixed arrangements.
And present simple for schedules.
Yes, the four main ways.
Do you want to add something?
Just this. Enjoy the process. Learning English is fun if you use stories, real life, and humor.
Absolutely. And share your stories with friends.
Or even with your cat.
Yes, talking aloud helps memory.
And practicing little by little is better than memorizing lists.
Exactly. Step by step, like real life.
So, learners, don't worry about mistakes. Focus on stories, plans, and conversations.
And use going to for plans, will for quick choices and promises, present continuous for fixed events, present simple for schedules.
That's it. Simple and practical.
We hope everyone enjoyed today's chat.
Yes, remember to practice and make your own fun stories.
And don't forget to share with friends.
Learning English together is more enjoyable.
Thank you for joining us today.
We appreciate every listener.
Keep smiling and practicing.
Until next time.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!